ndi musete aselele tini tini na mbete I'ma do you like too fair the way you make me feel take you by the world you gon' see Fize too fair but I'm hot all breezy for you mamacita I won't go busy the way you looking girl all cheesy I meant to say the way you looking girl I'm freezing on top of the world I'm feeling no gravity girl I'm feeling Niko uzana my gang boss dive tini tini na baby I'm kissing be dunia what please baby I'm keeping cash flow maniac boss dive
Baby, come on in. I unlock the door. I promise, boy, I promise I got what you wantin' for. Your fantasy and dreams, baby, I'll be that and more. I'ma make your dreams work. I'ma make your dreams work. Baby, in the bedroom, top to the floor. You gon' need a break. It ain't what you bargained for. Your fantasy and dreams, baby, I'll be that and more. I'ma make your dreams work. Dreams work.
Little mama, can you tell me how it feels when I'm moving in so deep? The way you make me breathe, I can see your legs starting to shake. I'm losing control, shorty, I don't wanna wake up in the morning. Shorty, gotta make my dreams work, gotta make my dreams work. How you doing when you're moving on the floor? Even though we ain't got time, shorty be coming back to me, back for more, that's for sure. On the floor, on and on and on. The way you bite your bottom lip, girl, you really got me feeling for more and more.
Baby, come on in. I unlock the door. I promise, boy, I promise I got what you wantin' for. Your fantasy and dreams, baby, I'll be that and more. I'ma make your dreams work. I'ma make your dreams work. Baby, in the bedroom, top to the floor. You gon' need a break. It ain't what you bargained for. Your fantasy and dreams, baby, I'll be that and more.
Baby, cause baby, I wanna tell you something.
Make your dreams
Just close your
work.
eyes. Now this is all my dreams.
Dreams work.
Still, diko tambe sasu now, but for you, baby girl, I can change. Well, you know that. Big dreams, big house, big family, baby. Well, you know I gotta have that. Hey, damn in the streets, baby. I'm trying to get it in. Escape that village, boss, that nigga got big dreams. Oh, but in the ocean, look at they don't know what they're talking about. I'm still the same. She has to get the money, make the money, oh, spend it and make it rain. Oh. Baby, udo daranga shidala chapeless boss, one of the devil why. Big dreams about to come true, look up in the sky, close your eyes, now open them.
Baby, come on in. I unlock the door. I promise, boy, I promise I got what you wantin' for. Your fantasy and dreams, baby, I'll be that and more. I'ma make your dreams work. I'ma make your dreams work. Baby, in the bedroom, top to the floor. You gon' need a break. It ain't what you bargained for. Your fantasy and dreams, baby, I'll be that and more. I'ma make your dreams work. Your dream work. Dreams work.
Zindu kupfala. Ewa, zindu kupfala na, cause sound ndikubona ikubva mara nati kupfala. Wait ya, ndikupfala zvino. Mbudzeni ngautabanya uri ndidzidzanye su fast. Na zvino atitupfala na, cause no chincha something apa. Nga mulayo ndako ndiyo ndikupfala, so okay, cool. Fizu ndikupfala. Komera vatu vaviri futi vadove vambo ndikupfala. Okay, ndikupfala. Ndozvipfa ngapa. Okay, cool. So ndakadini kuzoriro nitambera ndakadini kuzori ndikoni tanganedza ka Venrap throwback na host yaviwe Zerowafala ndiko lipo uri ndive na veiwe ndi nife dza murahu dza kale ndi zwavhuḓi nga maanḓa arali no lambedziwa nga vha affordable technologies vhathu vho no nga vha aggressively ndi vhona vha khou lambedza heyi show uri i kone u isa phanḓa. So nda ndo ni tambela dream work ndi luimbo lwa 2 Feb vho feature shares ndi luimbo lwa 2 Feb vho feature shares kholu luimbo i ndi luimbo lune lu ku wanala kha mixtape wo to thoma wa Uniswa ndi luimbo lune ndari ndi tshi vula dzi folder dzanga afha ndaona uri ndi luimbo lwo to thoma nalo kha Uniswa mixtapes. Uniswa mixtape ndo zwihumbula zwori ndi vhanna kana ndi vhoramuzika vha Venrap vhe vha dzula fhasi vha zwihumbula uri no why recite mtingati ra shuma roṱhe ra shuma u bvisa dzi mixtape. So hatshi shuma ndano ri khou shuma Macfam nga ngei, u khou shuma 2 Feb nga ngei, u khou shuma RSR nga ngei, u khou shuma Double F nga ngei, u khou shuma like vhathu vho yoyo ngo fhambana vho Sick Venom na iṅwe nda vhona ka Sick Venom mulovha ndi khou sedza dzi archive dzanga. So ndi vhanzhi vhathu vhe vha vho ṱangalana hafhaḽa vha khou ita uri zwithu zwi tshimbile zwavhuḓi. Mara I think muthomi wayo ndi muthomi wa Uniswa. I think a tshi pfhi Andani Kone na Bucks. I think na Bucks ndi vhone vhathomi vayo vha Uniswa. Andani Kone ri tsha tou vhona zwavhuḓi hafha kha game mara Bucks u tshe hone mara arali no muthu ane a khou pfhesa ungari ndo amba zwithu zwone kana vhuṱanzi zwifha kha vheiwe khomulori ni khakhulule ndi nga si tu yeah so khomulori ni khakhulule ndi nga si tu ḓivha zwoṱhe mara zwinzhi zwone ndi vha ndi khou zwi ḓivha. So ndo ni tambula nga lolo ndo ni thoma nga lolo songo angwa competition yo wina sim card ine ya vha na data dza 20 gig i khou ḓovha i khou thoma zwavhuḓi i khou thoma ṋamusi competition mara not winwa ṋamusi i khou thoma ṋamusi hu khou winwa nga Friday i ḓaho ni ḓo vha ni khou wina. Yes ndi zwone Raul J ndi khou zwi vhona comment yanu ndi yavhuḓi nga maanḓa ndi khou livha vhathu nga vho Sukri vho Raul J vho Roy Beats vho Dakalo sponsor tshavho riṋe vho Mulalo Makhado Musanda ndi vhathu vhanzhi vha no khou vhona ngoralo mani ni dobenga luṅwe hafha ndi khou tamba Uniswa ndi nyimbo ndinzhi dzo ḓalesa badi dzane khou bva ngei na ngei hafhanoni ti khou ṱoḓa u tamba ngori na tshi nga wana uri 2 Feb kale i khou ni fha track dza 4 kha Uniswa Macfam ya 4 mini ya gai. So ndi ḓo tea ndi tshi to mixa ngoralo mani hafha ndi mixe ndi tambe kana ndi tambe okay hai track dzani ndi dza kale ndi track dza kale ndi ḓo dzi fana vho dzi tshi tamba zweri ya dzo vhuya bad. I think o mixe pa khou vhidzwa first semester wa khou vhidzwa first semester mandi ni tambele kholo luimbo lupfi sex in ni adamo maipfi nne ndi abalamba sex in the morning ndi Ketisi na Mizo Philly I think na Pro Max Swagger ndi sex in the morning kholo mandelite so asihoro lone kholo sex in the morning na Zerowafala Venrap throwback ane songo ngo share vha ni ko share ma wo itiani no reactana tomeni react ka YouTube ngange songo ngo subscribe ransa to subscribe and ni comment na ka YouTube comment dzote tsiko da straight twin ko to dzi vhona dzote petuti ngoralo. So na vewe ni satu share iwe ngo share ni ko subscribe ka YouTube ngange ni ko like ni ko react zwi love me ni zote ka sokoda ri rote namusi rote kholo luimbo sex in the morning Pro Max Swagger Ketis na Mizo Phil.
Sex in the morning. Every time I see you, girl, I gotta leave you moaning. Leave the crib, girl, then you start the calling. You look good, girl, even when you're yawning. Sweet brown lips is what I'm talking. Every time I hit a baby girl, I leave you bragging. Even when I'm gone, you still be bragging. Everywhere, even in bed, we still swagging. Even in bed, we still swagging.
Sex in the morning, I'm a liver yawning. We ain't married yet, so they tell us that we darling. The girl is so sweet, I'm a pouring in my tea. Yes, I'm having breakfast without a dinner table. She asks how I get money without a record label. I'ma keep her stable, walking she unable. And I keep on watering, she's so green. She like a waiter to me cause she get them tips. She told me she love candy, marshmallow lips. Damn, she keep on shaking all the way and them hips. I'ma get over her, call it sex chip. But it ain't Saka, Musutu one Rata. All the girlfriends call me Curtis, Mr. Chama. Shit, whack nicknames. I'm the cheat coach, she go pull me on her game. She needs my attention, all the love, all the fame.
Sex in the morning. Every time I see you, girl, I gotta leave you moaning. Leave the crib, girl, then you start the calling. You look good, girl, even when you're yawning. Sweet brown lips is what I'm talking. Every time I hit a baby girl, I leave you bragging. Even when I'm gone, you still be bragging. Everywhere, even in bed, we still swagging. Even in bed, we still swagging. Can I hit it in the morning? In the bed when you're yawning. Can I hit it in the morning?
Song today.
Duvalo chafuane. It's 5 in the morning, no kanama bed. Put your head on my chest, ni kaname kande. She said inside to fuwa, I can see ni na sweat. Story in Kumbera, same time na ne. Girl, you got a good thing, yeah. So give me the good thing, yeah. When we dance over Embuluwa, Mushumoni Bondindera, Nikoteo Dua. Chini Faran Soko Embuluwa, Unga Kopeti Kotipa Potero Tofua. Sex in the morning. Every time I see you, girl, I gotta leave you moaning. Leave the crib, girl, then you start the calling. You look good, girl, even when you're yawning. Sweet brown lips is what I'm talking. Every time I hit a baby girl, I leave you bragging. Even when I'm gone, you still be bragging. Everywhere, even in bed, we still swagging. Even in bed, we still swagging. My baby wants some sex and in the morning I hit it back forth, then I leave that baby moaning. I hit it, then I leave that baby fiending. Wait, what's her middle name? I told her after I'm done with you, you ain't gotta be the same. She said I love you, baby, and I said I love you too. You ain't number one, girl, you my number two. I don't love, baby, I'm a gangster, rockstar in the bedroom, ballroom while I'm waiting for the morning. I'ma be the teacher, you the student. Like a classroom, I'm in it for the sex in the morning. I told her face to face, keep up with the pace. If I keep going, I'ma end up with a case. Lie back, baby, feel free, now embrace. Heat it up like a fireplace. Who's gonna come first? And this a race. Sex in the morning. Every time I see you, girl, I gotta leave you moaning. Leave the crib, girl, then you start the calling. You look good, girl, even when you're yawning. Sweet brown lips is what I'm talking. Every time I hit a baby girl, I leave you bragging. Even when I'm gone, you still be bragging. Everywhere, even in bed, we still swagging. Even in bed, we still swagging.
Yeah. Sex in the morning. Hey. Ndiko ndibona benikonkolera paka Facebook. Ka Facebook ngangiwa konkolera ufi zero ni mtu always ngaminina otozingwala zobudde afala finite so traditional zero finite so traditional nikoto balondo ambori sex nizona neraluwa asimaifi ene odowele ori ambiwe rolo umaifi ene angodowele ori ambiwe na ti ngazo zoimangendira fiva mizo vaita zvithu ndi zvone vhesi ya mizo asumbidziswa so ndosfa zviri ya dzakuvuya hapo zvino arivona anyway luya luimbo lovo luwani sengwangwa dzi-details dza competition dzikatidoda ni nga mangala uri maybe just utovona fedzi maybe just utocommenta zvene zvikufa zvina vhavhavhu munowina for next week iri kuthoma winisa nda ni kuwina sho chitofela ya next week ni dova ni kuwina ngoralo karitse so niyazvo nikohasha ti ndeta chichincha dzikhalanyana uri in case vamwe vatosiwa jena matoni zvaso ndeta chichincha dzikhalanyana mara ngasvinga zvakare hana vatona ngavo promax wega promax wegai atidivi zvori ugai izvo zvino but arina muteni yauda zvori promax wega ugai kambudzi uri promax wega ugai bcause zvazvino ritova na max wega asi promax wega aticho uri ndi muratu wa max wega na hoyu noni max wega una promax wega na max wega so promax wega ndiwo unola wasvinga chidla chakare erinenani rachidimdiva nga zvilwa svinga zvakare but nono obviously ramdiva songo atikomba tikomdiva nono riamdiva natonga voketisi ndomumbura ketisi noni okay ndozvifari kudiya panda nazishow oshuma badi kazitreke dzainiswa nazvino onoto aka chigwada chinoni chonovizopfi chifimi ndila chigwada dombudza chigwada chene ketisi yavakachozva zvino mara uva na lyrical d na lyrical d tonga rochincha dzina niadhiva zviri nane ndikusalira murao nyana ndandikuri ndi dictionary nyana ma ndikusalira murao nimbudza uri lyrical d nainowopfinyi zva zvino but ketisi ndoguma akushuma na lyrical d ndi mumwe wa dziproducer vane vakushuma nga maanḓa vendangi okay cool sangochuwa rote uswika hey yes tidhivi zveri tidhivi zve ndinitambile lufio ndini rwenga lufio apo ketisi rono mutamba okay aritambe hulu sengomangala yiniswa ina chingaonori vathu nduri votanganirana mara sezvo ndanikuudza luimbo rukubva double farara rumwe rukubva kandozvemse zvone rolimu tina juzi hapano vamwe vakubva 2fab macfam fw nano ruimbo rwafw luna mutu wa2fab so ndingasakomangala vatokuripita kana ruimbo rwaresara luna mutu wa double farara rwaresara luna mutu wa sig venom ngoraro so sengomangala mara hava noni vandikudovatamba apa vothe utonga avatu square pass ndi square pass ndizvone vaka square pass vakodya square pass ketisi uya wana beefinga dofu wechifi muledhani rikona rotu urepanga nani yake no hola ufi kutisi una ketisi na kutisi ndi kutisi navana ketisi ndizvo ndi square pass rikolivuwa ndirikolivuwa comment kedzila dzirengele graphic dzanamusi dzonaka asi mezofi irwani yapo imwe avekuri hevatu vochincha madzina ukufi vatu vochincha madzina rauji atitova treke dziyaone mara ndidzo yandocompila before but idosvika nayanu songochiwa rauji ndovana imwe comment yapo futi ikusimbizoro ikubva kabugara bugi kuri quality big gaf everything looks pashasha titi zviri pashasha zveimena mini but it's fine I mean, arali zviright pashasha ni pashasha mandinamulo lwimbo hapano ndakoni ombaisa ndikodi cool fellow iziti humbe na main event main event ndi hoyu waka globe zvino cool fellow ngomdiva ndinaye machero ka Venrap nacho humbe oimba ngasvinga zvakare naye ndachitotama ndoshuma naye nangasvinga zvila zvakare kodhitiko ndiye nemutene tonga ndotomufaruti iziti nikomdiva uchaone gaming naye kolorimbo
baby please
What?
skata maya tu
Salantle.
Dandy kadi di fera, bezi adi humisa, nana musi zwi kadi mbaba, ana hola mumwe msizana.
wayo no fara zibeke Urufuno luche luswa alu tupepeza beke Hey pepe songulira achito petrekte I hope I go nicha cause I tina six pack Kambutone akoya zwinogela wanna follow Ribabilir tonga kupun la siko no rana solo Diko bela kafonya webe bwasa ko fara kolo Dios tibatina transi maran kodo braya polo Mata de resolva Who come by somebody mbirwa chichiri it's over I want you closer Baby achiko tuwa hudo baya ni groza Harto dobolosa
Dandy kadi di flera Bezi adi humisa Nana musi zwi kadi mbaba Ana hola mungwe msizana Gongo ombaisa Achitori ondata Biru yanga yofundeya Tikori ichinga
ati hepi nga nomboro ya dzishares dzenenda kuzivaona paka system ati hepi na ruti ukuitiani ari chavara utaina matsi uitiani dzishares ati hepi na ruti dzireaction adzilingane watu vene kuona pano nadzo ati hepi na ruti comment ndiko dzirwa ngamanda dzikudadzisa imi mara dzireaction adzikulingana watu vene kuona dzishares nadzo adziswiki na adzikotenda itanozofanira nyimbo dzikadzidzo richerote Venrap nacho nayo ikadhidha madekwana richerote
I woke up early in the morning. Says on my bed and I the one and the alone. Then I realized that the girl is gone. The troyo mufune, a foreign as the phone. Young is like a voice in me. Then I phone I'm brown. Hey,
don't you dare say you hated me. Trying to get you out of my mind. Go on, please just stop calling me. Move on, cause I need you out of my life. You stupid thing. You lied to me. Said you love me, but you never were in love with me, yeah, boy.
yeah. Baby girl, why do this to me? Opeza undicha, napa kontulera, lizoni nikotenda. Baby girl and don't cheatera, kabuya don't bitera, this night don't parera.
There's just no way that I am coming back. You're wasting my time and then you treated me like trash. No, there's no more love. There's no more love. There's just no more love between the two of us, boy.
Baby, go ngampare, go ngangangwere. Easy one fool, go down fool. Dandy kadi di flera, bezi adi humisa, nana musi zwi.
mandi ndiripe gwindi nisingorinofa nne dzimwe dzinyimbo ndofuzuri tonga ridzolapfa badi mara rumwe lapfa lone 3 minutes something mara rumwe luimbo ni aringo luchicheresa nasi kufunga lolapfa ndi gwindi langa pedzi songwana mchene ku record screen ndotu
Ikadimbaba anahola mungwe msizana gongo ombaisa achitori ondata biru yanga yofundeya tikori ichinga tumeya.
Listen to my lines every time I rhyme. I'm trying to split the feeling that I'm having inside. My heart is busy pounding, trying to make life. You're on with your heart, but you still have in mind. Just before the show, you turn down the shine. Just before the glow, you turn down the light. Just before the go, you turn down the ride. Instead of giving more, you cut me aside. Manja chisi wana na hone wadi mangara. Zabu sa rubu rubu, dabuza sangawara. Pitching up from 0 to 5, no dizama. Sanu bomb baby on baby andata. I never had your love, but I always try to have it. You never paid attention, but I always try to grab it. Now my heart is broken, I just need someone to mend it. Control the spoiled, I guess we call it service.
Dandy kadi di flera, bezi adi humisa, nana musi zwi kadimbaba.
Hey, no mupfa main event wakale na. Hey, dzikati ndokuyanyana. Hey, ndikosiko ndandori tingatambi nyimbo dzene tingodzi prepare ne. But ngora pasi radio. Risiko nanga. Namwe mtu wa busori mbanje nga bag kana ori halwa nga bag. I think mbanje nga bag kana halwa nga bag. Kombrero mtu wa comment nga lwimbo lwa requestiwa. Ndikosedza comment yapala so ngomanga ndikudzisedza ngi mara ndinaveyo ngamanda ndirufiyo o request lwimbo lwendishore ndinalo apa mbanje nga bege kana halwa nga bege chadivo ndirufiyo ludo lurufiyo udo request lupio mbanjenga kolu ndoluwana so olwimbo manditalisinga olwimbo so olwimbo fizi oita chorus achita chorus afa mizo apanga usi 32 backs rama mbanjenga bag 32 bars olori 32 bars uroborero zwingwala ngori 32 backs ni bar ya Adolf. Okay, so mbanjenga bag kolu olwimbo lwetwa fizi chorus achuna voice yaba bold ndaiva then apa mizo aita dzivese track ya dia yatonga na zvino trackila ngokono mfesi zvindi kuzoma murimi like yatova track ya dope ngadzizumuna patona ngapo koroni nachirino yanga zvilo swinga likudiwe le track notofozuri hapo jena maselebo a serious ukudiwa ndimbanjenga bag yeah ndimbanjenga bag then hakuno dalumo lonofi halwanga bege zomri Adolfu ndichimwe chiva vasotulo sikomri Adolfu na mizo ada halwanga bege Adolfu ajia same track mara aluita halwanga bege so mara fizi still adovaita chorus nori halwanga bege so zote zo zitwa nga fizi yeah okay cool sungwango share ndi dova ndiko nitambela lwimbo holo chi kero chifuna tuwe na wana jealousy ubo kwamba watu nangane ukwiteni hapo kero chifuna tuwe na wana jealousy ukwamba watu nangane mbanjenga bege ndoluwana ni doshona bad arango kufunga ritinga luwani ndoluwana kolu ai nditolube hapa kolu lwimbo lwawiwe mbanjenga bege nife hey okay unfortunately mbanyanga bege aliko tutotamba mara kati for noni girl like you apa tichiona taizo sound system yanga ichatototamba ende ni zvidova zvokhakhenga man mara rachaidzo ridetori zvozvote zvidzidzenye ngachikapikapi kezo ndonibudza ndari zvidodzidzanyaya sori ngamanda sound system edzino tizvinariko chadzidole dzisi sound system so kedzi ndi setup ntswa that's why nikupfa zvichita zvikata kuti zvinozvidovera zvosukuritingatinga ngoraro and i setup ingasive Venrap late night show because arishimisi system nti hafano ningori ndindotei ndiyakonorisu zvive ngahendi yangokonomfesa but ka Venrap late night show ngori vari vanji kana rivararu like zviyambalo riite setup but ndikade ndinayo maybe utoma next week ridari kuita setup yononga hii naka Venrap late night show but for now iva no mbabalela nyana ari femba jinga back
Let's get it. Snare 5 litanga chekasi. Not the swazi na local and the chekasi. Put it in the back.
Checka organ, checka. Shorty got my kush, she put it in the past. Another roadblock, the searching in my bag. Nigga let go, I nigga wanna next. Ganda N1, stepping on the gas. Shika fito shota para na mi don't take. Witanga yo dio pakanga yo na zigonzi. Wibita shampoo, tambanga yo na mahoti. Cleaner na rukanda hacha tola na tiponzi. Hey bomba, ay funga. Ampasa yo nengori urafunda. Umpechera mita njone ako kuda. Pamba njeto pamba na zoyanga mifuda. Punching up back, punching up back. Punching up back, punching up back, punching up back, punching up back, punching up back. Get it.
Yes. Nolifana we ndotamba manje nga bag ndisikufila ngari ofuna ndona ndatamba leli aliwe kati aronga bag at these only guy mara nala ndele ndiliwana cause ndadona itecheza zingwe zithu zwene ufim ntsamini iyafuna erosha yomubike ndi munamba ne wewe ndikozidozori munamba ni kufuna mara hafa chaizo ndiyo mubikelini naye hayi kare umunamba uyu mubikelini naye mani ndinisedzele rufimi nabe harwanga bege kana nditome nga 32 bus songo tome nga 32 bus 23 27 ndolowechela kaimwe show so mandi wendolulicha mpompepu na mpompepu da adianga mandesa kolu ya lwimbo mandi ndipangelelone kolu nisongori 0 asimtu wa wenwi ndi 0 wa wenwi ngokono mfesa kolu holu nendi halwanga bag erikuvunta mlamba nga bag holu ndi halwanga bag wakoro computer abana asinne so mandi ndamlelone once ndisiko chose kubalabala
Uniswa harabuta dinuisa
Majestic Drama, The Empire.
What I'm six. The Farah 5 litanga chakasi ya chukupu chama hapendi chakasi aransina bag kelo chakasi ndiko baba kan isiwo arifasi shot to tita kush saita on a pass but I'm not broke toranga ndina cash everybody let's go patini kana bash hey N1 andure hey back school back ya mutana nindi chisika kazi load trindi yanto the hard one dina saita na sikones bana bako talanga meba madongo na mabones kono kangwa skobo sikoncham sotora na the bones uya tonga afono da Dafa plaka ya muliro ndamukunga HLP das kipisa na maisa rabu kopisa bako totar chiba bombisa Adolfo Owara I want the back
Marwanga zibege unfortunately I'll taba chone chipinga cha marwanga zibege kavala bono sura ai zoni balera nga chino chipinga ngweri no bewe kana the latest news ani zitebeleli maswa hayasi mabebe ni maswa ukusimbe sofi vodlamini Zuma vakusimbe sori zvikambi na zwidzidzivhadzi zwoṱhe kani a ri to ni fha zwone nga level 1 ngori 3 to nga ri ḓa ro ni ṱavhanyedzesa kana ro ni dzhuma ngo ralo na vheiwe na u dzhuma na corona ya ni dzhuma so halwa nga bag ya zwi tshe kule na riṋe hezwo. Okay, cool. Mandi vhuyele kha schedule ya vhukuma zwino ye nda ndi khou ri ndi ḓo tamba yone ndi khou dzi vhona ni khou requesta fhaḽa still a hit brands 2 feb u khou vhona kha YouTube nga ngei ndi nga si re subscribe ndi shono subscribe kha thu vhathu vha khou vhona vha na khou ḓi vhona late a ri si khou re na khou vhona zwino so nga ngo subscribe toto na ita kubelo kulori ndi tshi to posta dzi vha dzi khou dzhena nga ngei a hu no pfi zero show i khou thoma nga tshifhinga ḓi khou tamba lini i tshi to thoma dzi vha dzo swika ri khou livha vhathu vhoṱhe ngo vhona kha YouTube na kha Facebook ngo ralo. Okay, cool. So arumele kha schedule chashu tshe ra vha ri khou shumisa tshone Uniswa mixtape volume 1. Hey, tshifhinga itshi tshi nga tshiṱukunyana man. Awara inga ndi ṱhukhu man. Hey, ri ite awara kana ri ite 2 hours. Hama ndo kala awara. Izwo a ri tambe hulu ngo tori ndi awara a ri tambe hulu noni lupfi ndi ḓo ni vhudza lone.
Push to lounge. You know what it is, King Easy and Mizofil. You need some mixtape.
So, luimbo lwe ndi khou ṱo nitambela lone asi mandi lunitambele lone. Yeah, okay, no, luimbo lwe ndi khou nitambela lone ni cool. Ndikuzivana zvivano zviri asi lone cool ndi lwa 2 feb featuring Mizofil, a girl like you. King Easy one ndo nomutamba ara ndisathu mutamba manditambe lone kati. Okay, ndikozitamba nga mbili holu noni girl like you na lune ubona King Easy lupfi mini that girl luna King Easy ndo mumbula nga dzina zwinono tshentsha wo 5 parts malende na domba ndi dzina ḽawe ḽiswelo a ri fulu.
When I look in your eyes, when you standing right there, when you coming so close, nenaeme ridozura lirote mufuna wanga, I will never let you go.
First time ndichibona mwana anonga and unazi nails nazi heels nazi pieces zahon nazi flows and the footy nazi swagger zahon hayi harwani and the footy uyazikereken. I've never met a girl like you before. If I did then maybe cause I wished before. Ndomulora ndikare now we face to face and the footy riko face and nazi facts. Ndamubudza uri how I feel and the footy ndina Mizofil and the kadziroko dzamaluvo colorful for my love on a track, girl, this is wonderful. Ndichumvara ndichiamba
ndikuliwa thothe kopana kha YouTube ndi zwavhuḓisa nga maanḓa. Songwangwa episode i tshi to fhela i ḓovha isiyaho kha Facebook i ḓovha i khou wanala kha YouTube fhedzi because zwa zwino ri khou streama zwavhuḓi badi nga ngeini a ri fhedzisa luimbo Girl Like You featuring Mizofil ndi luimbo lwa 2 Feb ubva kha mixtape wa Uniswa.
naendita notochuma I can't breathe musi akwile nane musi ndichumbuza ari utodzula nane ndomufara lwa chote uri nne.
All I know when I look in your eyes, when you standing right there, when you coming so close, nenaeme ridozura lirote mufuna wanga, I will never let you go. I never met a girl like you, a girl like you. I know that she get it, carry it.
Wewe ni mdewa Mizofil wewe kana it's fine oruga mandi tambe luimbo mari nife Mizofil it's fine arirambe.
A girl like you, I know that she get it, carry it. Achita mufu ani na nendite, rufuno ranga
ndinga silu limited Patomu fara baro shanda arite Kafare papa ampepere bana Matakata mbiru pelo nene mwana Mufuma kazi wango toba ene nana Ari nini nene nana Check the swabo papi kel Maticho samon pasa nabo Jezebel Kopetso pata muti ate rizule Uroneta ngoko bate zatsi kechi pe Tura nina imi And I never met a girl I only feel it so all I know when I look in your eyes, when you stand me right there, when you come in so close, Nena, Rito Zura Rirote, Mufuna Wanga, I will never let you go. I never met a girl like you, a girl like you.
Mwana nyana kadengeno karindembe nae Oliva gai mwana nyana ndichimile nae Mwana na gango jealous da win Anga tendera nandi muchame Ege like you mwana nyana komutama Garufuno mwana nyana abe wanga Gamufida rufuno udokwata Maduba ote mwana abuchiro hanga Mufuna wanga lavi wanga baby wanga Kabasiza na bote ndo munanga Garufuno mwana nyana domukamba You the type of girl I see in my dreams Mwana ndimu chame ndimu mwalele maripi Live romantic ndimu visa zitiripi I would die for you baby girl I ain't tripping I would die baby girl I ain't tripping
All I know when I look in your eyes when you stand me right there when you come in so close Menaeme Rito Zura Rirote Mufunwa Wanga I will never let you go I never met a girl like you a girl like you I know
Yeah.
Slash oblique. FW, baby.
This beat was produced by Slade Bell, Mark 85.
Okay. Tell me that you love me again. Let me love. I swear this shit funny, man. Okay, look, no time for your countdown. You and I are so down. I'll treat you like soda. When I'm down with you, I'll hold ya and squash ya and throw ya. Should have been a soya, put grenades in your car, then I'll blow ya, then it's over. Yeah, man, if I make your heart sear, I can't sincere. I don't want you near. Let's play a nice game. It's called disappear. You go first and I'll just stay here.
Yo, what's under tuna body? In love, ziko deeper body. Risina ndaba na bo gym na bo Jane. Hene ombuza hampuneri zi cash. Zino ndo tuwesa udongwana tungo ya west. Tiche na pinga chanu ndo netanga vito zwanu ninga na mana goda zanu so funny. You ain't worth my time.
Ndichimwe che ushimisa huku ineo dana biti. Zwazi sina taizo. Ngono mpesa. Hey, doshimisa biti ineo da na huku zwazi no wado ni jiazo sea badi. So nisongo tenda uwela kabo watu venei. Bako shimsa biti ineo da na huku already. Okay. Ndoni promisori ndiko doni vuza zi details zo wina sim card ile data. Ndiko doni vuza zone ndikotamba olu nalo bvisela then ndanibuza zi details uri nikoto winisa hani ngoralo hono ni wena kumupfapo ndi triple B ene ako wa mrao ndi /oblique ubvaka FWO tidizwe rikodo jena vonyi vamwe marai ndidotechelesa ndidontaluchetsa
Said I'm just tryna live my life. No time for the bullshit, baby. It ain't worth my time. No, it ain't worth my time.
Yeah, I thought I loved you, but it was a lie. Though every chick these days seems to know my line. I gave up everything just to be with my only one. Even thought that maybe I would ever chat with ya. And now I moved on, cause you ain't worth my type. I was so stupid to think that you'd be my only one. And now I'm with FWO, we're just doing fine. I got my own life, get the fuck back.
I spend my time for only thing that I've been living for. I tina chwinga choto better sisina to so. Na hula wana ndo mubuza adenga before. And that I'm bisa chwinga so oh wana ndisi ho. Abuza chomiza wuri ondi changa before. Let's talk and sina chwinga chopanda meza zifio. Na pendu kisa pendu ndamu penyisa raso. Mareso ndisa kare you should let me go. I just wanna live my life. Gotta wave those haters off, yeah. I'm just tryna live my life. No time for the bullshit, baby. It ain't worth my time. No, it ain't worth my time.
Hey, first of all, y'all stay off meds. You know the chicks be saying I got the magic stick. So y'all can't rappers don't complain.
Lopfala, kombe rimbo zvinhu zvendi kupfala ntana. Songwangwa zuri utesta mic iri vari songo to testa the way. So nimbudze arandi kupfala kwine. Zvendi kupfala kwine vafizi abantu vachidzo ndi kupfala kwine na. Ngori ndikuteledza uri ndipfe apa noni so vapfizi avambudza uri ndikupfala uguma gai yeah man dori ndipfe izvi nyana doti vanime nipfe okay adanyi
stay off meds you know before let's try
okay cool arpedzisa okay so vena vapfa vala vaviri murau ndi Mac Cheesy Faceboy Zinoko Jena Nyabe. Yeah, I don't want to make it.
Said I'm just trying to live my life. No time for the bullshit, baby. It ain't worth my time. No, it ain't worth my time.
Hey, first of all, y'all stay off meds. You know the chicks be saying I got the magic stick. So y'all kind of rappers don't complain around my field. And this year, I'm aiming at making a killing. Flow so sick, I make HIV spinning like a broken clock. Girl, I ain't got time for you, so stop fronting. You had a chance like the wind, you blow it. Now I got all these pussies after me like a can of tuna. Yeah, I'm still hot, chilling and Mars, killing hooks like Bruno.
It's just a waste of my time, holding me back. You're messing with my pride. Now it's time for separation, it's time to divide. We were never one, we couldn't combine. I wanna leave you in the past, wanna make a history. I'm done with this chapter, want a new story. I ain't done none wrong, I won't say sorry. Don't even text me, no more call me, you waste my time.
I just wanna live my life. Gotta wave those haters off, yeah. They ain't worth my time, they ain't worth my time. Said I'm just trying to live my life. No time for the bullshit, baby. It ain't worth my time. No, it ain't worth my time.
This beat was produced by
Apa unofi beat ye producer ngajinyi zvetsanzvetsina adzori kugadza edzo ndinobudza ndichinga chakare track yachitoda ina huku yaimbiwa zvazvino zvazvino vanganisiya lumwe ndoni promise uri luimbo lopedzisera dzinohakanyana because okay manditaluchedze ndikotitonitaluchedza ndichitamba luimbo lopedzisera ndikonibudza zvori competition iyi nikogenerera ngandilade none nikowinisa hani uri nikowina mini asikodzumbiwa sim card ina 20 gigi ikodakayani for mwedzi mtii ara nikuita kailai ndoritaluchedza rakononilodeleone ngamwedzi ngoraro sim card idoyema ngeni ndile so okay manditambale luimbo lopedzisera tina gwindi namusi ndisokotsi kupfunga ri gwindi lina show yalo arambe luimbo lopedzisera ringatamba lupiwa arambe hulu Make J ari tumtamba unomo mtu achifi unapo watu vachifi metaphor unapo watu vachifi metaphor ngasvinga zvinhu zvakare avana titizori vazora loisi na mara ana group eyi achifi metaphor manditambire mara zvinhu ndikonditambira Make J achiri another round arive ndolutamba vyada niazveri utamba vyada azvingotenderiwa mandilutambe nga Hindi ya.
Don't you be holding back your love, don't you be holding back. Don't you be holding back your love, don't you be holding back. Cause in the end, girl, you know I want another round, another round. Only girl, you want another round, another round. I used to want you, her and her and her and you.
She'll gain that girl better than any girl that you can name. Now let me have it. Now let me have it. Now let me have it. Let me have it.
She got the Angelina Jolie type of lips. Sometimes I'm faking that I'm hurting so I could get a kiss. And I say you only girl, cause these are the girls extinct. Trying to get a real nigga so they unlawfully persist. But me, I'ma stay true to you and only you. And everything that you and I've been through, you could never change even when we get more revenue. So let's let haters talk and get more revenue. I've been with many girls, I've been with several. I've been with many girls, I've been with several. But none like you, none like you. Don't you be holding back your love, don't you be holding back. Don't you be holding back your love, don't you be holding back. Cause in the end, girl, you know I want another round, another round. Only girl, you want another round, another round. I used to want you and her and her and you and her and her. I used to want you and her and her and her. But all I want, all I want, all I want.
Shawty got a mean walk, I mean she'll gain. That girl better than any girl that you can name. Now let me have it. Now let me have it. Now let me have it. Let me have it. Come on.
I was middle class and at Chizura come cuckoo. Only time I see you is Nichio when I cuckoo. And I wanna spend time with you all night. No natanga zipuku.
Hola na hola na hola na hola na hola. Marati chava toda.
Don't you be holding back your love, don't you be holding back. Don't you be holding back your love, don't you be holding back. Cause in the end, girl, you know I want another round, another round. Only girl, you want another round, another round. I used to want you and her and her and her and you and her and her. I used to want you and her and her and her.
Another round nga Mac J Mac Fam ndisunga zve Mac Fam yayo totoka midzi pasi uri ni shake dzadzichivhuya nyana nango ndiyotova nojima tidizverenga ndirade mare nango ndiyova ni muthu ojimawo vokuma ngoralo ndi Mac J achiri another round ndikupfaila pasi badi ndingori tina gwindi so ndisina gwindi na voice aividewe na voice aividewe mandikuzamuri then nditotesta nyana ndifuri okay ndideitecheresa ngapa ndakunoidzidzanya zvavudhuri nasho dzidawe ndide zve ndiseta ngandirade ngoralo okay cool so ndikosifa zvori ndikupfaira kuguma gai ndidengedza nyana volume uri so zvichimbire I think zvino idova much better zvino okay cool so ndirimbo rofesera apa ndinotodzika ti vosina gwindi varotodhirelaxerera apa rokusokolidza music nonitaurichedza nga rwimbo kana nga vatu vevo ngoralo nonitaurichedza nga nyimbo dzothe dzedzatambiwa apa maybe ndinganotosedza luti okay cool so competition chimwe cha competition zwino uri ni kuidzhenelela nga nḓila ḓe zwi easy nga maanḓa why ndi sa ke ndi khou ṱoḓa zama plan uri ndi ni sumbedze kha phone uri ni nga dzhenelela nga nḓila ḓe kha ri ite so uri zwithu zwi vhe zwi khou tshimbila sharp so ndi khou ṱoḓa ndi sumbedza zwori ni nga dzhenisa hani kha show mbanje nga dzi bege okay mara arali ndi busy ndi khou dzi set up so u dzhenelela zwi easy ni khou to ndi khou ḓo commenta nga flyer ine na khou dzhenelela ngayo zwe nda khou ḓo ita zwone ni khou to share flyer na tagga nne na page no fi affordable technologies then kha comment na commenta nga screenshot chamsinika channel yanga YouTube that's it zwi easy gumanefo ini kosiko ndini kosiko commenta nga screenshot chamsinika channel yanga YouTube ati ngori no ita mini just to ini page niwe no screenshot nika channel yanga ka section ile ya videos no page okay cool ndiko ya ka dzi video dzila okay ndiko ya kha hezwi ndiko ḓo ni sumbedzeni zwino hapa reach so okay cool ndiko ḓo ni sumbedza zwone zwori niko dzhenisa hani ngoralo ni ḓo dzhenisa so mane ndi sumbedze okay cool phone yange gaya okay cool phone ndo iwana ndiko ḓo ni sumbedza zwino uri niko dzhenelela nga nḓila ḓe zwi easy nga maanḓa kezo ndo zwiseta kezo so zwino kuitei ini niko sokoya ka status chena ku data chone niko senda ndiko documenta nga flyer na shimse flyer na soko vea ka status chano then zwori niko winisa ni asize ini soko no vea ka status kana chiko wana zi like kana uko do wina wazi like inji wazi share inji wazi comment inji asize ini ko soko post flyer ka Facebook yanu then na commenta nga echo screenshot no obviously niko shumisa ndi tuning so niko siko commenta nga screenshot chimanga yo ndira so obviously ngoti no subscriber na cheche cho subscriber arensi ngo subscriber ninga mangala ni uchi bopfi ndi no wina wafi sumbedze screenshot cho no subscriber na ngo subscribe ni do mangala niko fail badi mara ndina ndera dzanga dzo ri ndiko trepa watu nga ndirade nini kudze trick kani ngoto rweni kobona apa mandi kudze trick ndiyo ri ndiko dosedzo ri screenshot chanu chena chiita chiko chimbra nga ndirade cho imanga ipyo ndira ngochibona zori apa changa cho imanga ndirade yapo so zikomberi buline yobu already ndi usumbedzo ri guy ndiko to dosedzo something okay I sumbedzi case it's fine buline yobu already beko sumbedzo ndono bona edzo video dzote dzafelela nne mune sama ati dizori why mara nne mune ndono dzibona dzote dzafelela edzo video so maybe niko wina ngoralo ati ko ringo tedzibona dzafelela mara ndikomberi maybe niko wina ngoralo dombla niko bona niko senda screenshot naona ri anto wana video 90 tibone nchi do wina so ngwangwa sim card 20 gig iko da for mwezi mti then uvapo ni do talchedzo okay 0 niko to continue ne sim card then data zido kono loadwa nga mwezi auna zo contract ara no shimisa mwezi mti zo bala nepo number okay ya ndido zibona mwezi udao it's fine ngokono mfesa then yakono dobana night ahula mwezi ngorara auna zo contract anofi ngo bind wa for 12 month 24 month whatever so ngoralo so flyer ndiko they post up ononika comment ndiyo nendire na kudo general ka competition inoni tidizwe ndo toitsani flyer ya competition vafiza don't tusanga flyer ya competition yapo mwamtukame na fizi antuse nga flyer ya competition. Okay, cool. So ndikoli wakati wote wotalaho bosheraho wewe nisongosheraho it's fine nisongoshera zoluga utenda na wewe oluga zoluga zora mara kati wote bosheraho bolekaho boreactaho bocommentaho ndikoli bwanga manda rikodoro operata na footing a Friday kaini show ni Friday ngone Friday eyo darko winisa muntu so zombari and like mtu enego do wina ndimteni udo kotala show so ara na vanisiko tala show rikopira ridochiwinisa next time so na nisiko tala show ngelo duwe rikopira rido winisa next time. Okay, so announcement ndizori ndonibudzori niko ona graphics zona kaniko ndikuita ndindo thapa noni mara ndi busy ndikuitori nadza Venrap late night show dzive zveimhanga ine ndira zvitu zvishapu manje nsumedze zvori thumbs zveimhanga ndirade zveimhanga hendira ngokonomfesa thumbs ndatori enyana ya zviyakonozidzanya so zveimhanga hendira zvomberi guest yanga udova oima kana odzura ngapo ka left thumbs unena tn ngokonomfesa so ndizvone zvo zvenezvo ko zva rakuzamore zviite naka Venrap late night show ngoralo ndikulipwa ngamanda utongari ndo guma ngoralo songwangwa na video inoni ara naidova futhi ngodoni kototodia ku throwback kwamwe ngabo Monday ndikonibuza niko stand a chance chihuru chori ni win competition ndiyanibudza nda